If you don't allow God to reign in your heart, you cannot know peace. You cannot know progress. You cannot understand what we call peaceful habitation with other humans. If you will not allow Jesus Christ to come into your heart, you will have the challenge to live peacefully in your own family setting. You will have problem with living peacefully even with people in your community. Yeah, we can be passing buck, blaming those who are the president of the nation, those who are the governor of the state, senators, and all of that. But the truth of the matter is that we have to face our life, because even if you are the one who is given the privilege to rule, you might do the worst than those who are presently in the affairs of the government. The way out, my brothers and sisters, is to allow Jesus to reign in your heart, and allow Jesus to reign in your home, and to allow Jesus to reign in that your company, in that your business, in that community where you are leading, so that there will be peace, there will be harmony, there will be tranquility with our fellow human beings, that will live in peaceful habitation. God does not brought us to this heart so that we can be fighting one another and be destroying one another. No, it is devil who has infested us with his nature and his wickedness that makes us not to be able to live peacefully with one another. And the solution to that, brothers and sisters, is to allow Jesus Christ in your heart.